Hello everyone and welcome to Azam Weekly. So just a very quick announcement. If you are getting into iOS development and you are having a hard time to get started, then I am hosting a couple of weeks, you can see 4 weeks of lectures starting from October 3rd, 6 p.m. Central Time. And we are going to take a look at tour of the Swift language, introduction to Swift UI, consuming JSON API, and the final week, week 4, will be your projects. All right, so we'll do this over the Zoom. The link of the Zoom is right there in the YouTube description, and it might be around like maybe an hour long or so. So definitely, if you try your best to attend if you are trying to learn. If you're an experienced developer, then probably this is not for you. But if you are just interested in iOS development, want to learn about a little bit about Swift language or introduction to Swift UI in week 2, definitely attend that. So our week 1 will be on October 3rd, 2022, 6 p.m. Central. The link is right there in the description. Thank you so much and see you there.